Welcome back, my friends, for another sneaky peek at FabFitFun. This time I have the winter seasonal box for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I picked as my 6 full-size items that are totally customizable out of the list that they gave me, and I'm going to tell you about how you can get a banging deal on the subscription for yourself. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes of all time, so if you are interested in that, keep on watching. Ho, 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 my friends. According to the FabFitFun box, we're talking holiday, my friends. This is the Winter FabFitFun box. For those of you that don't know what FabFitFun is, a little debrief for you. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, which means 4 times a year you get your hands on one of these boxes where you get to pick. They are now totally customizable. They used to be only somewhat customizable, but now they're totally customizable. You get 6 full-size items from the health, fashion, beauty, wellness, fitness, home category. They have amazing brands that they work with, and you can get these products at an amazing deal. And I'm going to show you how my box is valued at over $300. And the quarterly membership, if you sign up to pay by quarter, is only $70 a box. So the fact that I have over $300 worth of value in here for something I would have paid $70 for is an amazing value. Now I say would have because FabFitFun was kind enough to give me this box so I could share it with you. So I did get this box for free, which thank you, FabFitFun. I am so thankful to you for this because you are in fact my favorite subscription box. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll give you some discount codes to help you get the best bang for your buck if you're interested in FabFitFun. But for now, let's go ahead and take a look at what I chose for my FabFitFun box. I love the inside of their box. It says FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. So funny. So I'm not going to show you what's in here because it's not like in any pretty setup or anything. But I do want to tell you that I did things a little bit differently. Last quarter, I did like an unboxing video. It was my first time opening the box, getting my hands on the products inside. But this time, I decided to do it a little differently because I know what was in the box, right? I get to customize my box, which means I knew what was coming. None of it was a surprise. So I figured, why not test out the products before I tell you about them? So that is exactly what I did. So I have used everything in this box to some capacity so I can tell you about the products more thoroughly instead of just being like, oh, look what I got. I got this thing. I wonder how it works. I'll be able to tell you. So let's dive right in. We are starting off this quarter with a bang. My choice item for choice number 1 was this Olaplex hair set. Those of you that haven't heard of Olaplex, let me give you the rundown. This is a stinking expensive brand of hair care, okay? It's stinking expensive, but depending on the opinions of people you hear, whoever you listen to, some people love it, some people hate it, okay? But bottom line is this is high-end, pricey. People will like charge extra in a salon to get like an Olaplex conditioning treatment. Like it's a big deal, right? So this set came as a pair. So this was one choice of my 6 items. I got this pair that's valued at $60. Now remember, the quarterly subscription is $69.99. So you get almost the entire value in choice number 1, okay? So the first thing that you got is the Olaplex number 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. This is one of those clarifying shampoos that like deep cleans, get rid of all the residue and junk and gunk on your scalp and your hair. It says it deep cleans, softens, restores shine and clarity for all hair types. I have used this a grand total of 1 time because you're not supposed to use it every time you shampoo. You use it like once a week. You apply to wet hair, concentrate on the scalp, lather fully, and let it process for 5 minutes. So I did that. I put it on my scalp and then I shaved my legs or did something to preoccupy myself for 5 minutes. And my hair did feel a lot cleaner. So I would say this worked pretty well. I only have 1 try, like I said, so I can't tell you how it felt with continuous use, but after 1 use, I was very impressed. Fast forward to Olaplex number 5, Bond Maintenance Conditioner, repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. I've used this multiple times now, and my hair feels great, y'all. This stuff's really good. This stuff is very nice. I used number 3, I think, which was their deep conditioning mask. I had like a trial of it, like a 1 packet, and it was incredible. My hair felt so good. And this, as a daily or as often as you wash your hair treatment, is reminiscent of that. It felt really nice. So I'm very excited and thankful to have these things in my collection. And I'm very, very thankful that I didn't have to pay $60 for them, because that's what you would pay for them in store. The next thing I got in my box is a home item, and it's one of those items that, are there things of higher value in that choice bracket that I could have chosen? Yes, but what I've been trying to do with FabFitFun is pick the most practical items for me. What would I actually be excited to have, be excited to use, or what don't I have already? And this was one of those things that I'm now kicking myself for the fact that I've never purchased one before. So I'm so glad I have it, and it's this. This is the Open Spaces cookbook stand. That's right, a stand for your cookbooks. I use cookbooks pretty regularly, and I just lay them on the countertop and they take up all this space. Well, I finally baked. I used my new baking book with my new cookbook stand, and it was just so nice to have it propped right up in front of me and the recipe right there and taking up so much less space than laying the giant book down on the countertop. This was the thing I did not know I needed. It was so easy to put together. It comes in a box, nice and flat. It's 2 pieces, you slide it in, the slid in piece becomes the stand, boom, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This is valued at $31.50. All right, this item is going to be controversial to my, I almost called y'all my students. You're not my students, my following. Wow, flashback to when I would teach voice lessons. This is gonna be controversial to some of you, but it was the thing in the choice that I was most interested to try. Like I said, I wanna get stuff that I'm gonna actually either be excited to use or excited to experience for the first time, things I wouldn't try normally, and this fit the bill for that. These are the Lemmy Curb Craving Support Capsules. And essentially what they are is, well, here's what the box says. Manage your cravings and support healthy blood sugar levels with clinically studied chromium, bitter melon, cinnamon, and greens superfood blend. Clinically studied Chromax Chromium supports metabolic regulation and healthy body composition in combination with diet and exercise, which is of course a really, really significant little asterisk there. Like, you gotta eat well and move your body in order to see any results with this at all. But the reason that I got this is because this Lemmy brand is something that I've been interested in trying, but I also am not necessarily gonna go out and buy it myself, okay? And the reason I bought this is because it didn't have any like stimulants in it. It didn't have anything that like I didn't understand in it. The ingredients are literally chromium, which is a mineral, potassium, which I've been trying to get more of anyway, bitter melon extract, which is a fruit, organic cinnamon, which is cinnamon, and superfoods, which are all like actual foods, broccoli, carrot, onion, Brussels sprout, etc., etc. So there's nothing in here that's like, here's hydroxycut, or here, you know, here's fen-phen, here. No, it's all stuff that I understand. So I'm like, if I hate it, I can throw it away. If I love it, it's good to know. It's not gonna do anything funky to my body. Let's see if it works. Does it work? The first time I tried it, I only took one. The dosage is 2, but I only took one because I'm like, I don't want to overload my system with something new, you know? So I've only ever taken one at a time. The first time I tried it, yes, I would say that it did something. The problem is, was it placebo or not? I don't know. I don't know. And I've only taken it 3 or 4 times. So, and I actually took one, earlier. I took one about an hour ago. Can't give you a yay or a nay because I also am coming off of eating a pretty big lunch. So, does it work? I don't know. But if you're curious about this brand, I'm pretty sure this brand is owned by a Kardashian, but I could be wrong. It's worth $40 and I got it in my box, so it cost me nothing. So that's why I'm trying them. But if you're interested in this brand, or if you like this brand, there was actually a different Lemmy product that was also an available choice for this quarter's subscription as well. So there you go. Okay, back on the beauty train, because that's typically what I use the FabFitFun subscription for. I'm gonna hold up the box because you're probably gonna be able to read the box better. This is the Perricone MD Soothing Brightening Under Eye Cream, okay? This retails, and I looked on the website. I didn't go just based off of what FabFitFun told me. I went to the Perricone MD website because I was like, surely FabFitFun is exaggerating at the value of this product. No. If you go to the Perricone website and you purchase this product, you will pay $125 for this eye cream. Yeah, $125. Now, Don't get me wrong, it is a nice eye cream. I've been using it every day for about a week now. I have no complaints about it. All I do is a little tappy, tappy, tappy. Look, there's $1 right there, y'all. Crazy. But it feels nice. It's thick. It's emollient. It's lovely, okay? It's a lovely under eye cream. It feels really nice on the back of your hand too. So I give it credit where credit is due. It feels good. Has it brightened my under eyes? I have no freaking idea. I really don't. Is anything capable of brightening my under eye bags? I don't know that there is. But because of FabFitFun, and this is why I love FabFitFun, honestly, like truly, I'm not trying to sell you at all. The fact that I can get products like this in my FabFitFun box is the reason that I like FabFitFun, okay? This is a $125 eye cream. I would never, unless I knew it was a miracle product, but to try it, to take a risk on it, I would never pay $125 for this. But you better believe if the $125 eye cream is available as a choice in my FabFitFun box, I'm gonna put it in the cart. I'm gonna put it in my box because now I have the $125 eye cream and again, didn't have to pay for it. Or it's worth, oh, I don't know, like 2.5 times the value of a box if you have the annual subscription, because each box is only $55 if you pay annually. Like no brainer if you're a skincare lover like I am, okay? But yeah, $125. The next choice item is this one. This is the Tower 28 Mix and Shake Lip Balm. Are they lip balms? Juice balms. Juice Balm Duo. Together they are worth $32, and all it is 2 full-size lip juice balm things from the up-and-coming brand Tower 28. I know Tower 28 got famous for their hypochlorous acid spray, which I have a dupe for you that you could get on Amazon for a lot cheaper than the Tower 28 spray. But again, when I have the opportunity to try a trending brand or something, I'm going to do it. So that's exactly what I did. And these are lovely. These are absolutely lovely, okay? So here are the 2 shades. The one on the top is this brown looking one, and then the one on the bottom is much sheerer than the brown one, and it is this pink one. The pink one is shake, and the brown one is mix and shake. It's the mix and shake, right? The glosses feel really nice. Since I have lip product on, I'll use this one. Yeah, I mean, they feel like a really, really nice lip balm. And so if you're into tinted, really nice lip balms, this is a great choice to add to your box. I'm a fan. I'm glad I have these. And then my final item, this one wins the surprised me the most category this quarter, and it is this, the Ahava Mineral Radiance Cleansing Gel. Again, Ahava is a brand that I know. It's a brand that is high quality. Oh, good heavens, what is going on here? I've been using it in the shower and apparently I squeezed it or something. I don't know what happened, but there's gel all over. This stuff smells incredible. This, like, immediately, the smell is what sold me. As I was putting it on my face in the shower, I was like, oh my gosh, it smells like a spa. I can't tell you what the smell is. It's like, I feel like it would be classified as like a waterfall or rainforest smell or something. All I know is every single time I wash my face with this, and I've been leaving it in the shower, which is probably why it's, I don't know why it's doing this actually. So I've been using it every time I've been in the shower, and every time I just take my time and I do like this slow lather and I really rub it in simply because I'm enjoying the smell of it. And like, never mind the fact that when I rinse it off, like my skin feels great too. My skin feels great. My skin feels even a little bit brighter and like nicer and smoother, which is really great. But honestly, I'm such a smell girly that just the smell alone makes me go, oh, I love this product. And that cleanser retails for $28. So I'm really, really grateful. Again, something I don't know that I ever would have tried, but I'm so glad that I did. And it also makes me wonder, what else in that Mineral Radiance line can I get that smells like that? Because I love the smell. So that was everything in my FabFitFun box. As a recap, we have the set of Olaplex products, which is the clarifying shampoo and the bonding conditioner for $60 value. The cookbook holder was a $31.50 value. The Perricone MD eye cream was a $125 value. The Lemmy Curb Your Cravings capsules was a $40 value. The Ahava cleanser was a $28 value, and the Tower 28 lip balm set was a $32 value. Drum roll, please. That brings the total value of my FabFitFun box to $316.50. if I did the math correctly. Which again is the whole reason why I love this subscription box. It gets you so much value for your money. All of these products I'm so thankful to have. They feel very luxurious, very high end, maybe even a little bit bougie. And I feel that way when I use them, which is just what a great way to elevate your vibe on the day-to-day, right? Thank you FabFitFun for the vibe elevation, because I am here for it. And before I forget to tell you, I wanted to make sure that you know that with a membership to FabFitFun, you also get access to their shop where they have flash sales. Y'all, the money I have spent in my lifetime on the FabFitFun flash sales. Why? Because you can get products like this for so cheap. So cheap. It is the way, like, if you see something of the big brand name on that store, you'll see it for, like, I don't know, at least 50% off. The discounts are incredible, and you only get access to these discounts in this store if you are a FabFitFun member. So quite frankly, being a member of FabFitFun is worth access to the store alone, especially if you are a beauty and skincare junkie like I am, because that is where I have obtained many a luxury skincare product in my time. Okay, but like I said, there are two different kinds of subscriptions. You can get the quarterly subscription, which is where they bill you every quarter, and you get billed $69.99 for each box, okay? If you want to do the quarterly subscription, just use the code DIVAANDTHEDIVINE and you will get 20% off of your first box, which will make your first box $55.99. Not a bad way to kick off your subscription, right? But let's say you're all in. You're like, okay, Brianna, you've sold me. Let's do it. The annual subscription is for you. And here's why. Because the annual subscription costs $219.99. So say $220, which means each box, instead of being $70, is $55. Worth it. Worth it, my friends. Can you imagine the $316 worth of product for $55? What a deal, okay? But if you want the annual subscription and you're like, but what about a code for me? I got you, boo. Use the code DIVAANDTHEDIVINEGIFT and FabFitFun will send new subscribers a $200 valued gift for free for buying the annual subscription. So you get a coupon code regardless of which direction you want to go. I don't know about you, but I'm just such a big fan of FabFitFun. And so again, thank you FabFitFun for sending me these products, for allowing me to be part of your winter campaign. I love it so much, and I'm so happy that I get to share it with my lovely followers as well. And that's all I have for you today, my friends. Links to FabFitFun and all the products will be down below for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.